Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin and we have an unboxing video here. The shipping box got waterlogged, water damage, so I just pulled this one out. Have not taken it out of this case yet. So let's do that now. This is, I believe it's a prototype for the MMI Skyhunter. I know it's the MMI Skyhunter, but I'm pretty sure it's a prototype. So yeah, let's check it out. Something fell out there. Oh, looks like one of the split pins. I don't know. I'll look around the desk later. Yeah, so MMI watches, they typically have this cut out a window here for the date, and then there's a little indicator inside that will go around here. So let's see if we can see that. Okay, so there it is, 21. Some of the other models a little bit brighter than orange, so I don't know if that'll change on this or not. But the loom looks to be reddish, pinkish type color as well. And of course, the camera's not focused. Oh. There we go. Sorry about that. Looks kind of perhaps oyster perpetual like. Do have the 3-link bracelet. There's engraving on the back. So yeah, Skyhunter. So maybe this is a production model. 4 out of 150, 100 meter water resistant, 316L stainless steel. So it looks like it has a Miyota 9015 movement, and then the sapphire crystal. So I don't know any of the specs really offhand. We'll save that for the full presentation. But first impressions, I like the way this watch looks. Let me know what you think of it down in the comment section. I don't know the price or anything for it either. I would like to see screw pins, but depending on the price, split pins are okay. Looks like off the sides for my wrist, I think. It's kind of close. I might take one link out, depending on where we're at with the micro adjust here. Yeah, I think I'd take a link out. So I'll get it sized, wear it for about a week, and then report out on it at a later date here. So let me know what you think of this watch. Just want to check the crown real quick. Okay, yeah, so it is a screw down crown, and you do have a signed screw down crown. Looks like that crown is loomed as well. Let's take a quick look at the loom here. I don't normally look at the loom unboxings. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It really does help me out. So let's check out the loom. Let's see, turn off the light. Oh, full loom dial. Okay, cool. I was not expecting that. It looks like the crown is loomed as well. Yeah, full loom dials are fun, but I kind of changed my thought on them. I now prefer just basically a plain black dial with white loom. That's kind of my thing now, but if you guys like full loom, obviously you have it here. So let me get this back on wrist again. Then we'll close out the video. There we go. Looks like a nice fit for my 6.5-inch wrist. All right, as always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.